बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू दारिया अरकम स्कूल गौरी टाउन फेज़ 1। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी साइंस ग्रेड 4. For this purpose you have to open your science workbooks. So open page number 22 of science workbook. First of all, you have to write date and day on top of the page. On page number 22, question is, what do the parts of digestive system do? There are two columns given. One is for part of digestive system and second is function in digestion. Okay, first we will write mouth. What is the function of mouth in digestive system? It breaks the food into pieces and can digest easily. नेक्स्ट स्टमक, इट हेल्प टू चर्न फूड एंड एसिड टू किल हार्मफुल जर्म्स। यानी स्टमक का क्या फंक्शन है कि ये फूड को चर्न करने में हेल्प करता है और इसमें जो एसिड होते हैं स्टमक में मौजूद वो हार्मफुल जर्म्स को किल करते हैं। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज़ लिवर, इट हेल्प्स टू फिल्टर द ब्लड। नेक्स्ट पैंक्रियास, इट ब्रेक्स डाउन द फूड बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस, यानी डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस के ज़रिए से फूड को ब्रेक डाउन किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट इज़ गाल ब्लैडर, it stores the bile that is released by liver. Next, on page number 23, there is an oral project given. Okay, and in this oral project and on this page plague is given. Do you know what is plague? Plague is a soft, colorless, sticky film containing bacteria that grows on your teeth. टूथ डिके बिगिनस विद द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्लेग, मीन्स कि जब प्लेग क्या होता है, ये आपकी टीथ पर सफाई ना करने की वजह से एक लेयर सी बन जाती है जो कि अगर मज़ीद उसको रिमूव ना किया जाए तो वो हार्ड हो जाती है और एक गाढ़ी सी लेयर, सख्त सी लेयर बन जाती है। ठीक है, इफ़ प्लेग इज़ नॉट रिमूव्ड इट इवेंचुअली हार्डन्स एंड बिकम्स टार्टर एंड you can use or you have to use toothbrush, toothpaste and neem tooth powder to remove plaque. Next, on page number 24, choose the correct answers. Number 1 is, which teeth are used for biting into food? Here 4 options are given. Option A molars, option B premolars, option C canine and option D incisors. You will circle incisors because incisors are used for biting into food. Next, number 2, the undigested food passes out through the intestine, stomach, anus and pancreas. Here you will circle anus. What is stored in the gallbladder? Here you will circle bile because bile is stored in the gallbladder, released by the liver. Okay, next, number 4, where do the nutrients go after they pass through the intestine walls? Here 4 options are: into tissues, into blood vessels, into the kidneys or into the stomach. You will circle into the blood vessels. Yes, nutrients go after they pass through the intestine walls into the blood vessels. Next is, which of the following are facts about the liver? It helps filter the blood, it stores food energy, it is largest organ, or all of the above. Here you will circle all of the above because all the given facts are about the liver are true. Next, fill in the blanks. First is, dash in the mouth helps to soften food. Here you will write saliva. Next, the stomach produces dash which kills the bacteria in food, acid. The largest intestine absorbs the water from the waste and sends the solid part of it out of the body as dash. Here in the first blank you will write water and in the second you will write feces because the largest intestine absorbs the water from the waste and send the solid part of it out of the body as feces. Okay, and largest intestine send the solid part out of it out of the body as feces through anus, यानी एनस के ज़रिए से फीसेस को बॉडी से बाहर भेजा जाता है या डिस्चार्ज किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट, द लिवर प्रोड्यूसेस अ डाइजेस्टिव जूस कॉल्ड bile. Yes, bile, bile. The dash helps to mix the food with saliva. Here you will write tongue. In your mouth, tongue makes the food with saliva. Yes, on the next page, page number 25, number 6 blank is bile is produced by dash and stored in the dash. Yes, in the first blank you will write liver, produced by liver and stored in the gallbladder. Next, saliva softens the food and starts the digestion of dash. Here you will write starches. Next, match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. Here two columns, column A and column B are given and you have to match the correct answers. Correct them with, you have to match them with correct answers. First in column A is produces digestive juices that break down fats. So what is this? Pancreas. In column B, option F, pancreas. You will circle number 1 with option F, pancreas. A fluid that helps with digestion, number 2. You will match it with saliva, option A. Saliva, a fluid that helps with digestion. Yes, saliva is a fluid that helps with digestion. Next is it stores bile. So you all know that gallbladder stores bile. Yes, number 3 will be matched with option D in column B, gallbladder. Next is produces bile. So liver. Yes, here you will match number 4 in column A with option B in column B, liver. Next, number 5, a long tube in the digestive system. You will match it with option C, intestine. Next, stores food for several hours. Yes, stomach, option E. You will match number 6 in column A with option E in column B, stomach. Stomach stores food for several hours. Now open page number 26. On page number 26, write date and day on top of the page. First question is mark these sentences with tick or cross. First is the teeth which cut down the food are incisors. Yes, you will mark here tick. Incisors के ज़रिए से ही food को cut किया जाता है. There are salivary glands in the teeth. Cross. Because salivary glands are in the mouth. Food enters the stomach through the small intestine. Cross. Because food enters the stomach through the food pipe. The liver is bigger than the pancreas. Yes, you will mark here tick. Next, number 5 is it is better for the digestion if one stands while eating. No, you will write cross here. Okay, you will mark cross here. Here you will mark cross because it is not better for digestion if one stands while eating. Next is here are some incomplete words and you have to write the vowels because vowels are left over here. Okay, so first is bacteria. BACTERIA, bacteria. Here you can see AEIA. These are the vowels. As you all know that there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U. Next, number 2, plague. PLAQUE, plague. Next, number 3, filling. FILLING, filling. Number 4, teeth. TEETH, teeth. Number 5, canine. CANINE, canine. Number 6, intestine. INTESTINE, intestine. Number 7, pancreas. PANCREAS, pancreas. Number 8, kidney. KIDNEY, kidney. Here you can see that in all these blanks we have written vowels. Next is number 9, vitamins. VITAMINS, TAMINS, vitamins. Next is mineral, MINERAL, mineral. Next, last question is, what are these scrambled words? Unscramble them to reveal meal names. Okay, here scrambled words. Okay, you have two scrambled words. CHUNL. Here you will write lunch, LUNCH, lunch. Next, you have to write breakfast, BREAKFAST, breakfast. Next, you will write dinner, DINNER, dinner. Next, snack, SNACK, snack. And the last one is feast, FEAST, feast. Okay. So dear students, do all your tasks very neatly and carefully. Okay, take care. Fi amanillah. Allah Hafiz.